Artificial intelligence has become a buzzword in recent years, dominating headlines and revolutionizing a variety of industries. Microsoft, as one of the major technology companies, has been at the forefront of AI innovation, led by its CEO Satya Nadella. However, Nadella's recent remark has sent shockwaves throughout the AI sector, startling experts and enthusiasts alike. This essay will dive into Satya Nadella's innovative developments and actions, analyzing their ramifications for the AI landscape. Satya Nadella's unwavering pursuit of ethical AI was one of his most startling acts. While the IT sector has debated AI ethics, Nadella has made it a priority for Microsoft to set a good example. Microsoft set strict ethical criteria under his supervision, guaranteeing that their AI technologies are created with societal responsibility in mind. Many industry leaders were taken aback by this dedication to ethical AI, as many have been solely focused on AI developments without sufficiently addressing the possible risks. Nadella's emphasis on collaboration rather than cutthroat competition was another surprise twist. Historically, tech titans have fought violent wars for dominance in the AI domain. Nadella, on the other hand, altered Microsoft's strategy towards building partnerships and encouraging collaboration. This strategy not only startled industry insiders, but it also called into question the dominant narrative of severe rivalry. Because of Nadella's belief in the value of collaboration, Microsoft has formed relationships with a variety of organizations both within and outside of the technology industry. This new paradigm has taken the AI sector by surprise, pushing competitors to reevaluate their strategy and investigate the potential benefits of collaboration. Satya Nadella has also advocated for the use of artificial intelligence to address societal concerns and achieve social impact. Instead of focusing primarily on commercial applications, he stunned the industry by shifting Microsoft's resources to AI projects addressing global concerns such as healthcare, climate change, and accessibility. This shift in emphasis indicates Nadella's dedication to leveraging technology for the greater good, and has motivated other organizations to pursue similar opportunities. The AI industry, which was previously identified with profit-driven endeavors, is now confronted with the unexpected issue of aligning their efforts with the societal good, as advocated by Nadella. With multiple instances of data breaches and unauthorized use of personal information, data privacy and security have been important concerns in the AI business. Industry observers have been taken aback by Nadella's approach to safe data practices. Microsoft has developed strong security measures, championed user data privacy, and lobbied for global data protection rules under his leadership. This unexpected emphasis on data ethics has compelled other industry participants to reconsider their own practices, as they recognize the need of preserving user privacy and guaranteeing data security in the AI era. One of the most revolutionary features of Nadella's leadership has been his dedication to democratizing artificial intelligence. While artificial intelligence has previously been regarded as a high-end technology available primarily to large enterprises and research institutes, Nadella has changed that perspective. Under Nadella's leadership, Microsoft has democratized artificial intelligence by making technology more accessible to consumers, small enterprises, and non-technical users. This shift in emphasis has enabled a broader audience to harness the power of AI, resulting in the development of novel applications in a variety of disciplines. The industry's surprise at this approach originates from the realization that AI will only genuinely assist society if it is widely available and inclusive. Aside from the aforementioned factors, Satya Nadella's leadership has also resulted in a number of shocking advancements in the AI business. Microsoft has prioritized empowering developers and researchers to drive AI innovation under Nadella's leadership. Microsoft has given tools and platforms that simplify AI development and make it more accessible to developers of all skill levels through efforts such as Azure Machine Learning and Cognitive Services. Microsoft has further democratized AI by incorporating it into common products and services, allowing users to benefit from its power without requiring specialized understanding. Microsoft's complete AI integration plan has taken the industry by surprise, demonstrating the potential for AI to improve user experiences and alter traditional software applications. Significant ethical concerns have been raised about facial recognition technology, including issues of privacy, bias, and potential misuse. In an unexpected move, Nadella addressed these concerns by proposing for stringent regulation of facial recognition technologies. He encouraged the government to pass laws that assure the responsible use of this technology and respects the rights of individuals. This audacious attitude stunned the AI sector, emphasizing the need for ethical monitoring as well as the possible risks connected with the unregulated deployment of facial recognition technology. Satya Nadella has prioritized major investment in artificial intelligence research and development. Microsoft's research laboratories and collaborations with prominent academic institutions have resulted in groundbreaking advances in artificial intelligence, including breakthroughs in natural language processing, computer vision, and reinforcement learning. Nadella has positioned Microsoft as a significant player in AI innovation by investing in cutting-edge research. This commitment to pushing the boundaries of artificial intelligence has surprised the industry, as it highlights Microsoft's long-term vision and commitment to remaining at the forefront of technological breakthroughs. Satya Nadella's stunning decisions have far-reaching consequences beyond Microsoft and the AI business. It has sparked a broader discussion about technology's role in society and the obligations of technology businesses. The industry has recognized the significance of tackling bias, transparency, and accountability in artificial intelligence systems. Because of Nadella's approach, other firms have prioritized ethical considerations, resulting in increasing examination and regulation of AI technologies. The shift towards teamwork has also changed the game. Nadella has demonstrated that creating partnerships and alliances can lead to more substantial breakthroughs and favorable consequences. This strategy has prompted other businesses to look into collaboration opportunities, establishing a culture of shared knowledge and creativity. Nadella's emphasis on harnessing AI for social good has created new opportunities for the sector. Microsoft has proved that AI can be a force for good by investing in projects that address global concerns. This has pushed other businesses to reconsider their plans and evaluate how their innovations may help solve societal challenges. Because of Nadella's emphasis on user privacy and data security, responsible data practices have become a crucial factor in the AI business. Companies have recognized the importance of preserving user trust in order for AI technologies to succeed and be accepted. Because of Nadella's leadership in this area, more comprehensive data protection mechanisms and a stronger commitment to responsible data processing have been developed. Nadella's ambition of democratizing AI has destroyed the myth that AI is only available to a select few. He has extended the user base and stimulated innovation in unanticipated ways by making AI more accessible to individuals and small enterprises. This democratization has enabled a greater range of users to employ AI for their own objectives, resulting in a wide range of applications and improvements across multiple industries. Finally, Satya Nadella's unexpected moves as CEO of Microsoft have had a significant impact on the entire AI business. Thank you for sticking with me until the end. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure you turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a video. Until next time, take care.